Hey friends, Mike Sherry back with Sherry Ram. Today I'm featuring an upfitted Ram ProMaster with a service body on it, and there's a lot of cool stuff to show you. If you're a person who works out of the vehicle on a daily basis and need a lot of storage, this is a great vehicle for you. This is the all-new 2020 Ram 3500 cabin chassis vehicle upfitted with a Knapheide service body. This is the 136-inch wheelbase Ram ProMaster chassis. Brand new vehicle with full warranty on it. Does have the adjustable seat option on it. It's got a couple auxiliary switches, one for strobe lights, which I'll show you, another for the compartment lights back in the service body. Does have the backup camera already hooked up to that service body, so you can see what's back there. It is the cabin chassis, so you can have access back here to the service body. There's an access door there, which is always great. Great driving vehicle. I just got done driving these and I really enjoy driving the ProMaster. Front wheel drive, and I love how you sit up a little taller. You really see everything really well. On the Knapheide service body, there's different types of metals when you're shopping for service bodies, and your mind might go a little crazy. So what Knapheide uses is a Galvaneal Steel. Now Galvaneal Steel, what that is, it gives you the benefits of steel with the advantages of it not corroding like galvanized steel, right? Galvanneal is a process where they coat the steel with zinc, heat it up to 1,000 degrees where it bonds with the steel. The zinc bonds with the steel to produce the anti-corrosion properties and really creates a nice smooth finish to therefore paint on, which Knapheide does, and that's a 12-stage paint process to paint this. So, if you've seen older vehicles with older service bodies and they're all rusted out, Knapheide's figured out how to do it so they don't rust so bad, right? Double-walled compartment doors. What that means is they're a lot stronger. If I try to pry this door, it's super strong. If I put my foot down here, arm up here, super strong door, right? And it's a nice slam latch door, locking doors on every compartment. The shelves in here are rated to hold up to 250 pounds. Lights in all the compartments, you can turn them on right through those auxiliary switches I showed you inside. This compartment here can double as a work table space, even has the protector on the chains so it doesn't ding up your door. Double wall door on these compartment doors also means break-in is less likely because it's a much stronger door. It's very difficult to bend. Does have drain holds down here if you do need to wash out your compartments. Easy enough. These shelving are adjustable. You can see the different tabs here. I love this compartment here. So if you're maybe a plumber, electrician, have long conduit piping you need to put in here, you can just access it right here through this compartment door here. Does have strobe lights. I got them on right now. Backup cameras mounted up top here, up high, so you can see really well what's down here. Has a nice heavy duty steel bumper. Does still have the hitch. Nice high-class hitch rated at 6,000 pounds or 1,200 pound tongue weight, and does come with a 7-pin wiring. It's a swinging barn door style to get back into the compartment here. There's a light switch for lights in here. A lot of storage space up in here. Steel floor on this. So it's going to be a nice strong body for you. Drove this down the road and I didn't get a lot of rattles or anything from the service body. Really relatively quiet. Now we here at Sherry Chrysler, we are an authorized dealer for all upfitted Ram products, whether pickup trucks or these ProMasters. So if you have a need for something like this, we would love to earn your business, love to talk further. I'll post some links below about some more information about us. And if this is something you can find useful in your job to make your job easier, more comfortable, this is a great van. Great fuel mileage, front wheel drive, no rear wheel drive to worry about anymore like the older Chevys and Ford vans. Just an all around good quality van. So thanks for watching everyone. Check out the links below, and if you make it in the store, say hi.